PT speaking section has changed a lot. After the recent changes announced by Pearson, there are a lot of students who are struggling in PT. This speaking is a very important module. Because after the changes, it will contribute around 60% of the marks to listening module as well. So if you want to score high in listening module, you need to work hard on speaking section. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 mistakes which you should avoid in speaking section. Because there are a lot of students who are struggling in speaking section even after regular practice. Reason being, they're doing silly mistakes in PT exam. This video is going to be very important. Watch the video till the end because in today's video I'll cover each and everything related to PT speaking section. Hello everybody, Aditi here from PTE Universe. Hope you're doing great. I'm back with another video. PT speaking 5 common mistakes which you should avoid. If you're new to the channel, do like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Because I've been training PT students since 8 years. And a lot of students have got their desired band scores with the help of PT Universe in the very first attempt. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's talk about mistake number 1, not understanding the marking criteria. Guys, there are a lot of students who keep on focusing on unimportant question types and they don't focus on high priority important question types. That's the reason they score very low in speaking section. Total, we have 7 questions in speaking module, out of which answer short questions will not contribute to speaking section. It will only contribute to listening module. Total, there are 6 questions which will be contributing to speaking section. You will be getting 6 to 7 questions of read aloud. After the changes, guys, read aloud will not contribute to reading module. It will only contribute to speaking module around 8 marks and it is an average important question type. Moving ahead, next we have repeat sentences. Repeat sentences is an integrated question type. It will contribute to both speaking and listening module. It is an important question type. It will contribute around 14 marks to speaking section. Next we have describe image. After the changes, guys, weightage of describe image has increased. You will be getting around 5 to 6 questions and this will contribute around 28 marks to speaking section. This is very important question type for speaking module. Next we have retail lecture, because you will be getting 2 to 3 questions of retail lecture. It will contribute around 11 marks to speaking module. After retail lecture, we have answer short questions. As I mentioned before, answer short questions will not be contributing to speaking section. It will only contribute to listening module. Around 3 marks, it will contribute to listening module. Next, we have 2 new question types, summarize group discussion and respond to situation. Both are very important. First, let's talk about summarize group discussion. You will be getting around 2 to 3 questions. It is an integrated question type, extremely important. It will contribute around 17 marks to speaking section. And last, we have respond to a situation. You will be getting 2 to 3 questions. It is an easy and important question type. It will contribute around 12 marks to speaking section. So guys, make sure while practicing you focus on extremely important and important question types more rather than focusing on unimportant or average important question types. Because speaking module is backbone of PT. It contributes a lot of marks to listening module. So I'll recommend you practice speaking module on daily basis. Moving ahead, guys, let's talk about mistake number 2. There are a lot of students, guys, who speak either too fast or too slow. Make sure you speak at a moderate pace. Guys, after the changes, speaking section has become really very lengthy. There are a lot of questions and the number of questions which are coming in certain question type have also increased. So if you will try to speak very fast, you will definitely get tired and you will make mistakes. Because a lot of students who try to rush while speaking, it's highly recommended to speak clearly. If you will not speak clearly, computer will not understand you and there are higher chances you will score very low. Also, if you will speak very low, fluency score will drop. If you want to speak higher in speaking section, you can take natural pauses. It's okay, you can take pauses on commas, connector, or when you're trying to begin a new sentence. Fluency is all about speaking in a smooth and calm manner. So guys, bonus tip for speaking section: in order to maintain fluency, speak at a moderate pace, not too fast, not too slow. Or you can take slight pauses on different punctuations like comma, full stops or connectors. Guys, speaking section is marked on 3 parameters: fluency, pronunciation, content. Next, guys, let's talk about mistake number 3. There are a lot of students who try to fake accent while speaking. Remember, guys, PT test is taken by people all over the world. So you do not need to fake your accent. If you're from India, you will have Indian accent. If you're from Africa, you will have African accent. So you do not need to fake your accent while speaking. Pronunciation is not using a fake accent. Pronunciation is speaking clearly. In order to score high in pronunciation, try to make sure you're speaking each and every word clearly. And guys, as long as each and every word is understandable by computer, your accent will not matter. Is what you need to do in order to score high in your pronunciation marks. You need to make sure you're not speaking very fast, because if you will try to speak, your words will become unclear. Also guys, in certain question types like describe, image, retell, lecture, summarize, group discussion and respond to a situation, it's in your hands what content you're speaking. So if you find certain words hard to speak, I'll recommend not to speak such words, because if you're trying to speak a word like understandable with fewer hesitations, your pronunciation scores will drop. So remember, if you find certain words hard to speak, you should avoid speaking such words. Whereas in read aloud and repeat sentences, you will be having fixed content. But let's say if you are finding it hard to pronounce a word, so that you can maintain the right flow and fluency. Mistake number 4, using outdated templates and strategies. Guys, a lot of people who are really very confused about templates. After the changes, yes, templates and structures are working, but you do not need to blindly use templates or strategies. Guys, remember, it's not about templates, it's all about how to use the templates. There are total 4 template based tasks in speaking module: describe, image, retell, lecture, summarize, group discussion and respond to situation. In all 4 question types, templates are working 100% well. Try it and test it. First guys, you need to make sure you're adding relevant content, and second, you should know how to use the template. Guys, for describe image, you can use a simple strategy. Talk about introduction, 3 to 4 main trends, and then you can talk about conclusion. Try to make sure you speak for 30 to 35 seconds. For retell lecture also, you can use the templates or structure, but you need to make sure you're not repeating the same thing again and again. Because after the changes, the weightage of content has increased in retell lecture as well. So avoid using one word keywords, rather try to add phrases so that you can score high in content as well as pronunciation and fluency. Try to speak for at least 35 seconds so computer gets enough content to score you high. Moving ahead guys, for summarize, group discussion, try to speak for at least 90 seconds and try to cover the main topic. Try to make sure you're covering the main ideas of speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3. For respond to situation as well, try to make sure you speak for at least 30 seconds. Because after the changes, outdated templates like there is an interesting and beautiful picture in front of me, I can see, I can hear, these kind of templates are not working in describe, image and retell lecture. Fixed template where there is no space of content will also not work. Last but not the least guys, let's talk about mistake number 5, lack of consistency. Lot of students who do not practice consistently, because during PT speaking there will be lot of noise, so try to make sure you're practicing with background noise and you're well accustomed to PT background noise. Make sure guys you practice in exam like conditions, so that when you go to exam center you don't feel stressed or nervous. PT speaking is a very important module as it will contribute a lot of marks to listening section as well. So it's highly recommended that you attempt a lot of sectional mock tests and full length mock tests. There are a lot of students who are really very nervous because speaking is the first module of PT. They make a lot of mistakes in speaking section. But trust me guys, if you will practice mock test before your exam, you will not get stressed in exam. I recommend guys to practice 5 to 10 sectional mock tests before exam and at least 4 to 5 full-length mock tests. Please remember, there's a golden rule for PT speaking. Fluency is more important than accuracy. That's where they lose a lot of marks in speaking section. Fluency is much more important. You need to add relevant content, but 100% accurate information is not needed. Also guys, after the changes, in order to score high, you need to be really very good with clarity and fluency rather than accent. So don't worry, you don't need a foreign accent. You can speak in your own accent. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video will help you score high in speaking section. Guys, just understand the marking criteria. Focus on fluency, not speed. Prioritize pronunciation over accent. Use templates but adapt them based on content. Last but not the least, do a lot of mock tests and you will be 100% fine. Back-to-back students are getting 90 out of 19 PT speaking section even after the changes. Because after the changes, scoring high in speaking is not at all hard. You just need to make sure you're using the right strategies. If you're struggling in PT, you can contact us on the given numbers. 50,000 plus students have got their desired band score with the help of PTE Universe. Aditi here from PTE Universe. Will see you soon in the next video. If you like the explanation of this topic, make sure you like the video. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section what should be the topic of next video. Also share this video with your friends and relatives. All the best.